In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log in to UKG account. By the end, you'll know exactly how to get to the right page, enter your details confidently, and sign in without confusion. First, open your preferred web browser on your computer or mobile device. In the address bar, you can type the official URL launch.ukg.net or simply search for UKG login. Make sure you're on the official UKG site before proceeding. You should see the UKG branding and a secure connection in your browser. Using a modern browser helps the page load smoothly and keeps your session secure. Once you're on the login page, locate the username field. Carefully type your username exactly as it was provided to you. Some organizations use an employee ID while others use a work email format, so follow the format your company specifies. Take a quick moment to double check spelling and avoid extra spaces. If you're on a shared or public computer, it's a good idea not to let the browser remember your username for privacy. Next, move to the password field. Enter your password precisely, keeping in mind that passwords are case sensitive. Ensure caps lock is off and that you're typing the correct characters. If there's a show or hide password icon, you can briefly reveal your entry to confirm there are no typos, especially on mobile. For security, avoid copying and pasting from notes and never share your password with anyone. When both fields look correct, click the Sign In button once. Give the page a moment to process your credentials. If the button appears unresponsive, wait a few seconds rather than clicking repeatedly, as multiple clicks can sometimes interrupt the sign-in attempt. On a slower connection, a short delay is normal. If your organization uses additional verification, you may see a prompt after signing in. Just follow the on-screen guidance from your company's setup. Otherwise, you will land on your UKG dashboard, where you can access your schedule, pay information, time off, and more. A few quick tips to keep things smooth. Always use a secure, private network when possible. Sign out when you're done, especially on shared devices, and keep your browser up to date to prevent glitches. If your sign-in fails, double-check your username and password for typos, and make sure you're on the correct login page for your company. That's it. Search for the UKG login page, enter your username, enter your password, and click Sign In. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you get into your UKG account quickly and securely.